Hello everyone, peace of Christ to all. This is a Christian Prince with you. Today our video is very short and is going to be about an invitation to a very well-known person for the Muslims and I think for the Christians too. His name is Shabir Ally. Now Shabir Ally, he appeared many times in debates in ABN TV. He debated some Christian brothers and he claimed that he have a knowledge. And I assume that he claimed that he is a scholar by growing his beard. But all of us, we can grow a beard. But doesn't mean really we are people of knowledge. Shabir Ally, last week, somebody asked him a question. And the question was, actually, why I want to say to you with the question, maybe it's better if we let Shabir Ally give you the answer for this question. It was a debate between Shabir Ally and the brother, his name is Chris. And Shabir Ally in that debate was debating brother Chris about I think is Jesus is God in the Bible, something like this. I did not watch really the debate because debate of Shabir Ally is no debate, because this guy, he never answer a question, he play games. However, no Muslim can play games with me, and all of you, you know and witness thousands of my debate with Muslims. Let us hear what Shabir Ally he said in this video, and then we will hear my response for what he said.
The mic right there. Hello? Yeah, I just came to ask the $1,000,000 question. Shabir, when will you ever debate Christian Prince? Thank you very much.
Yeah, for those of you who don't know Christian Prince, he is a personality who has been operating some sort of an internet radio broadcast as far as I can remember. He contacted me a long time ago asking if I would debate him, and I said yes. And then eventually I bought his book, and then I don't want to say anything about him because he's not here, but falling from the correspondence and the way things were going, I felt that, you know, people, as you play ball, you play in certain leagues, right? You play in junior league, you play, you know, you advance from that and so on. I felt that we were not in the same league. So maybe he's in a higher league than I am, and God knows what is the truth of this. But I felt we were not in the same league, and I didn't proceed to have a debate with him. But who knows? Maybe eventually we will have a debate. And I don't think he can make a better case for the matter that was being debated here tonight than our friend Chris has done. But it's good to have debates with other people as well, so that perhaps somebody else may offer an insight that we didn't think about previously. So maybe eventually. Thank you.
So after all of this introduction, he came with maybe. I don't know if the guy he asked you to introduce was a Christian Prince. Everybody know who I am. First of all, I never ever contacted Shabir Ally. When the debate was set, it was not me. I don't know what this guy is talking about. ABN TV, they contacted me the same as they contacted him, and he know that very well. And he know that this is not true. I never contacted him. This is absolutely untruthful statement. That's number one. Number two, I'm really surprised about what he said, because he claimed that he did not debate me because there was he felt like there is a high league and low league, and maybe I am a higher league. But this is not what he said to ABN TV. He sent an email to ABN TV, and he know that very well. And this is why I'm saying that in public, and he can prove me wrong if I am wrong. He sent an email, and actually I made a video about it. The email was saying that he is busy with his PhD. And remember, he did that after he accepted to debate me, which means they send him an invitation to debate me, and they send an invitation to me to debate him. I accepted, he accepted, and supposedly a week or 10 days after we are going to have a debate together, alright, me and Mr. Shabir Ally. And then immediately in the same day he sent the email to accept to debate me. He went to Amazon.com and he bought my book, and he mentioned that in his video. Now my book is very well known by many of you. Most of you have it maybe. It's called The Deception of Allah. This is my first book, and I believe maybe he have all my books, not only the first one, and Quran and Science in Depth. If you don't have it, Shabir Ally, let me know. I will send it to you as a gift. Now when he said to the ABN, I am busy with PhD, and today he said he thought it's a high leak or etc., or maybe I am a higher leak, which one of them is a truthful one? I am really disappointed of Mr. Shabir Ally of saying such a statement. You are a person who present yourself as a cleric for Muslims, and supposedly you try to present yourself you are a person who said the truth, because either the email you sent to ABN about you being PhD, it was a false excuse, or what you said today is a false excuse. They cannot be both. Which one? Why you are giving different excuses? Are you trying to be politically correct? I thought people of faith, they should not be politically correct. However, this is not important for me. I like it when he said, I don't think a Christian prince, he will make a better case than Chris in this topic. Notice he said in this topic. The question why he is debating even about that topic, and he don't debate about his religion. Mr. Shabir Ally, he always pick up his cherries. He debate only those who do not know much about Islam, and they cannot cause him injury. When I say injury, I mean for sure not physical. I mean spiritual injury and career injury. And he know very well, if he debated me, he will have a very, very, very big scar of a spiritual injury and a huge scar of a career injury. This is why he is working hard, trying to avoid debating me. Now, to make it simple for everybody, this video is not to attack Shabir Ally. Absolutely not. I don't know even who is Shabir Ally. I mean, he don't know me, I don't know him. We are here to discuss and to show and to share knowledge about belief and religion. And the one who have the truth will set him free. And this is the message of my Lord, the Messiah. And I believe in that powerful way, in the powerful way. The truth will set you free. So what if I invite Mr. Shabir Ally to a debate of the truth? And the debate of the truth is going to be open topic, crossfire, scholar talk. You see, scholars do not need to prepare for a debate and do not need to know the topic. The challenge is, are you willing to take a topic of no topic, which means you ask me any question you want, anything, and I ask you any question I want. Take me off surprise, bring me the best of your best, and if you are a scholar, I believe you should accept, because a scholar is a person who is, let us make it this way, he is a walking, talking library. A library of knowledge. Your knowledge is always with you. The same as you do when you sit in your TV station program, sit behind the program, and you claim that there is Muslims, they are calling you, or they are sending emails to ask questions, which means you propose yourself as a person who have answers for questions regardless of setting up a preset date for the question or topic. When a Muslim he send you a question about Islam, and immediately on air you want to answer, that means you are a cleric and you are a Muslim scholar. I am no Christian scholar. But I want to show everybody that no one can debate me about Islam whatsoever. Even though I'm not a Christian scholar, the reason I'm saying that, Christian scholar is somebody he have to speak many languages, because you know, Christianity is not just words you read. You know, languages can discover a lot of let us say amazing stuff behind. And this is why I know a lot about Islam. And Mr. Shabir Ally, he know his weakness. He know that he have no idea what his religion is. And this is why he is trying badly to avoid debating me. So I will give you Shabir Ally. I'm going to go after Christmas, mostly. I'm invited to do some seminars in Asia. I will be in multiple countries. And I might stay there for maybe 2 months. 3 months maximum. However, I give you 1 year from now, except those 3 months after the Christmas, to set up any date of your choice, any time of your choice. Remember, you have 365 days, and there is no way you will be busy all the time. I'm sure you will debate many people during that time, but you will not find time for me. The reason is, I cause injury. And the injury I cause is a spiritual and career. And you are doing the right thing by avoiding debating me, because you don't want to destroy your spiritual belief with big scar, where everybody will see that you have no idea what are you believing in, when everybody will see that you do not know anything about Islam. And I say anything, and people will be my witness if you ever debated me. And I want to show everybody that not only you have no answer, even your God have no answer. Debating me cause Muslims spiritual and career injury, and I'm speaking about those who call themselves scholars. You will notice that Shabir Ally, he rushed to debate. I don't want to say names, but you know some names, like James White. But James White, he never caused injury. Actually, James White, he defends Islam. He's a false teacher. He debate only those who do not know Arabic. He debate only those who they are limited in the knowledge of about Islam. Because anyone, by the way, who don't speak Arabic, he will not know Islam. For a very simple reason. You are reading translated book, translated by Muslims, and those books are limited to the huge library we have about Islam. Quran itself, translation is false. Hadith translation is false. So somebody want to teach you about Islam, he is reading a translation which is misleading translation. So when someone, even if he's a Christian, teaching you about Islam from an English translation, he is himself misleading you without knowing, because simply he is learning from misleading information and giving you the misleading translation as information to be truthful. Knowing Arabic is a very, very, very important thing to expose the cult of Islam, because Muslims, they play with the meaning, play with the translation, play with the words, add words even to their Quran when they translate. This is why I say never learn Islam from someone don't speak Arabic. Speaking Arabic is a key of solving a lot of mystery. All their religion secret is in the Arabic text, not in the English text. English text, most of it is nothing but a fabrication. So I say to Mr. Shabir Ally, 365 days except a few months. I said after the Christmas, 3 months I might be busy in Asia doing some seminars teaching about Islam, and I will be back. The reason I cannot do it from there because mostly the internet is going to be very bad, even to be in Skype. So let us see if Shabir Ally will be willing to take the challenge, and he want to prove to us that if he debate me, I will not cause him a spiritual injury and a career bad injury. With this, I say thank you very much. Don't forget to share my videos, and if you like to contact me, you will see in the screen the link where you can contact, or even if you like to support our mission, you can make a donation for those who like to support us. Your support is very needed. The Muslims, they work hard to spread Islam and their cult in your country, and we are the warriors who they are doing their best to stop that cult and exposing it and saving the Muslims in the same time. Our target is not only to save the Christians, absolutely not. We love the Muslims and we would like them to be saved. A God who promised you endless private part, he cannot be God. A God who promised you 80,000 women just for fighting for 40 days for him, killing people, a human being, he cannot be God. That can be someone coming working in Las Vegas. A God who promised you gold and silver, that is a businessman. I accept that God to be Trump or Hillary Clinton, but cannot be God. A God who promised you a clothes from silk and Gucci and wearing bracelet in heaven, that cannot be God. With this, I say thank you. Christ is Lord and Islam is false, and the open challenge is waiting for the answer. Thank you very much.